Nakakasagot na kami sa optimization.
Hindi ka sure. We ended the day by eating. Hey everyone! So I just realized, wait, it's April 24 right now. So I'm editing the video and I just realized na parang wala akong debriefing, explaining part of that day. Kasi I think as I got home sa condo, like as I got into the unit, naligo lang ako, nagpahinga ng konti, tapos nag-aral na ulit ako. Yun lang kasi buhay ko pa may exams akong incoming, upcoming. Pag may upcoming exam ako, yun lang ginagawa ko, nag-aral na talaga ako ng matagal. Kasi na-trauma na ako nung first sem na parang kinakram ko lahat yung information like a day before. So ayun. Yeah, that's it. Nag-aral lang ako that day. And masaya din pala nag-aaral sa campus. Yun yung isa sa mga na-appreciate ko ngayon second sem. Kaya nag-aaral ako sa library and econ lounge namin that day. Since masaya mag-aral with friends and like alone din. Parang ibang environment lang. Try lang ng bago, ganun. Tapos we ended up going to Maginhawa, my two friends and I. Kasi I was hungry, so binulol ko silang kumain doon. And nagpabulol naman sila. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow as in the next day of the vlog. So bye. Wala kaming speech. Eh, nasa school na ako parang 8:30 kasi akala ko may speech na face-to-face. Eh, both my classes are online. Tapos math lang yung face-to-face. Bad trip. Mag-aaral na lang siguro ang long exam. Tapos siya uuwi.
Matutulog.
Matutulog siya. Gusto ko rin, pero ayoko na. I bought food from Antas. And then Gabby has my water bottle. Each day?
Yeah.
Mat lang face-to-face namin lahat.
Kasi sa Tuesday wala kami pasok.
Sana all. Sana all.
Wednesday, walang speech. Walang philo.
Ano na kayo filo?
Online lang. And then, math, yun lang.
Math lang face-to-face namin. Halos yun lang face-to-face ko man.
Thursday, walang PE. Isang BE. Friday,
Absent.
wala.
Cut.
Uwi na ako. Di ba hindi kailangan may ano?
Cut.
Kailangan
Cut na. Cut na, diba? Cut.
Yan ang sarap ng buhay ng college.
Magka-cut. Ito si seryoso. Ba't ako serious nito?
Kasi bad trip.
Bad trip. Si
Uy,
bad trip.
hindi naman yun ang personality.
Whenever I open talaga my feed, sometimes I always see you posting.
sobrang init. ayun. So, I just realized now na naman ako explanation part for this day. So, ayun. Basically, I went to school sana to attend an online class, then face-to-face, and then online, and another face-to-face. But apparently, nag-cancel pala yung face-to-face class kong isa. So, simula 8:30, 8 o'clock, nasa campus na ako. Palipat-lipat lang ako ng lugar to do some work. And I ate food, like I ate my meals there na lang din sa campus. And then, I attended my single face-to-face class in iMath, my calc class. And then I went home, showered, like what I've mentioned earlier, since I need to attend a play. But unfortunately, it got cancelled and rescheduled siya this week, this April 26. So, ayun. Instead, my friends and I attended the game theory night ng college namin. So, it's basically like a culminating night na may inom. So, ayun. I didn't film na during that time since I just wanted to have fun. So, yeah. Basically, I just ended the week. Not really week. I ended the weekday by having just some drinks with my friends. And then, we headed to Jollibee to eat after. And then, umuwi na ako sa tulog. Tapos, the next day, nag-aral na lang accounting. Hindi na ako nag-film nung araw na yon since I really try to focus na tapusin ko na yung pag-aaral ko. So, the next clips makikita nyo na lang is Sunday na. So, bye. Yun lang.